video for December 17th, 2020. This is your bonus point opportunity to complete this worksheet and submit your answers on the Google form. We were talking about isosceles and equilateral triangles again, just like we were on Tuesday. So for now, we're going to throw some algebra in there. On Tuesday, we were just dealing with simple solving, matching up. There were zero-step equations. Now we're going to have multi-step equations going on. But the same rule applies that applied on Tuesday. However many equal sides, that's how many equal angles you have. However many equal angles you have, that's how many equal sides you have. For example, if we look at number 1 here, we have these arcs that tell us we have 2 equal angles. Well, if we have 2 equal angles, then sides. So that means our 2 sides right here that are next to our angles are equal. So we could say -7 plus 2x equals 9. Then you just solve the algebra. So we want to get our constants together. Well, for us to move this -7 over here, we're going to add 7. So we have 2x equals 14, 15, 16. Then to solve for x, we're going to divide by 2. Then we get our final answer is x equals 8. Okay. All the first 10 problems on here are just like that one. All right. Next, we're going to look at number 11. So number 11, the first thing I notice is that we have 3 equal sides. Well, if we have 3 equal sides, then we have 3 equal angles. That means all of these are the same. Now, what I like to go ahead and do is, even though this is angle 2, I'm going to mark it out, and I'm going to go, okay, angle 2 is x plus 71. So here's what we know. 60 is equal to x plus 71. By getting x by itself, we need to move this positive 71 over here. So we're going to subtract 71, and our final answer is -11 equals x. Just like that. Some of them can get a little bit more complicated, like if we look at number 13 here, we have 2 equal sides, which means we have 2 equal angles. So that means that this is x plus 83, and set them equal, we're not going to get anything. Well, remember that a triangle equals 180 degrees, so we can add up all 3 of our angles to equal 180. So we could say x plus 83 plus x plus 83 plus 28 equals 180. And we can solve that way. So I'm going to go ahead and combine my like terms. So I have x and x. That gives me 2x. And I have 83, 83, and 120, or no, sorry, just 28. That gives us 194 equals 180. That's a lot easier now for us to solve. Okay, we need to move this positive 194 over here. So I'm going to subtract 194. And I get 2x and -14. Nope, lies. My bad, y'all. My bad. Yeah, -14. Then we divide by 2. And we get our final answer as x equals -7. Okay, so there are 3 out of the 20 problems that I have already done for you. If you complete the assignment, go ahead and submit your answers on the Google form. It is due by Sunday the 20th. I will not accept bonus points late, and everything is time-stamped. That's your warning. So y'all have a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a Happy New Year. I will see you in the year 2021.